Smells so good.
A few moments later.
Oh, sorry. I've got no clue how to do it.
Hi everyone, and welcome to my very first cooking video. Anyway, so for today's recipe, what we're going to make is a very simple fried rice. Something that you guys, for example, on a lazy day or something, and you just want a quick guzzle up with what you've got in the fridge, come from work, so hungry, there you go. Here's your dinner in 10 minutes. Right, so for our ingredients today, we are going to use a bowl of rice, preferably a rice that's been kept overnight. So if you've got leftover rice from the night before, perfect, you get it. So you might be wondering why it's slightly yellow. I've just basically used rapeseed oil, and it's got a little bit of color. That's why I like using rapeseed oil in my cooking. And also I sprinkle a tiny bit of salt so it can mix up, so it's easy, so it doesn't like sort of stick together. We're going to use as well a few like bacon rashers. I like to use in smoked as well. So for mine, I just like probably like a handful of bacon rashers. I chop them, so like this. And then moving on, we are going to need our usual garlic and onions. You can also use like shallots. I've used actually, this one is like a banana shallot. Just half, and then maybe 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Okay, moving on, we are going to use, and again, another handful of carrots diced, so like just like that. Also a handful of frozen peas. So we're going to use an egg, oil, any oil that you have in your cupboard, nothing fancy, salt and pepper. Oh, bingo, it's working. Oh, finally. I've just got to wait till the pan's hot. So what you need is probably like a tablespoon of oil. Right, so a tablespoon. So I'm just waiting for my oil to heat up. These are my ingredients. So I'm just going to add my garlic. So we're just going to brown the garlic. Smelling so good now, so I'm just gonna add my onions. Right. Actually, multitasking is not bad at all. I'm holding my phone at the same time cooking. So this is it. So I'm gonna take this out, put this on the side, and then we are going to add our bacon. Add our bacon. Browning the bacon. And the good thing as well is the house is smelling very good just now. Right, I'm going to then move my bacon. So there, I do love garlic. Good for your high blood pressure. This time we'll add the rice. The rice, so remember what I said earlier on that I've added a little bit of oil so they don't stick together. So it's like that. I'm hoping you guys can actually smell this. The garlic and the rice, a tiny bit of salt. It's actually really good. It smells so good. I would probably use another like spoon. So that's it. This is how you're going to mix it. Earlier on, I've added a tiny bit of salt. So this time, I've got sea salt. So just another tiny bit again. So normally, maybe like that. Because the bacon is so salty already. So you've got that. And probably one day I might do like a Cebuano video translated into maybe English or something. What I'll do is I'll add my bacon again. So that's what it looks like just now. We're now going to move on with our carrots. I'll crack an egg. There you go. You don't need to beat the egg or anything. Just crack the egg onto the rice and it'll make your rice nice and fluffy. Our peas. Just waiting for that to heat up and then that should be ready very, very soon. Here we go. You can taste as well. You can add pepper, which reminds me you need to add a bit of pepper. So it's steaming at the moment. So again, just like a pinch. Or turn it off. Voila! This is how you portion size. Well, normally I'd eat it all by myself. This, I can have this for my lunch tomorrow as well. So it keeps for another 2 days. You've got your 5 a day, you've got nothing to worry about. And then, ta-da! Right, so to complete our dish, we are going to fry an egg. No pressure. Again, just a tiny bit of oil, and then we can now eat the rice. Right, that's hot. Basically, just fry an egg. There you go. And what we're going to do is just add pinch of salt. My egg, that's my rice. That on top. Oh, cracked a wee bit. Perfect. And there you have it. Egg fried rice. My fried rice. I just had a big noodles earlier on. Right, so you guys can see. The egg's still nice and runny. The good thing about fried rice is that you can make it for your work. You can put it in your microwave for like 2 minutes or something. And there you go. You'll have quite a nice, satisfying lunch compared to like waiting for your takeaway or something. So. Recipe of how to make my simple fried rice. And if you have any video requests that you'd like me to make for you in the future, please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe on Josie Bob's channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Cheerio! Bye! Right, I should have, probably could have been helpful if I've actually read the manual, isn't it?